So there's this stock that has the market going super crazy right now. It's a company by the name of NIO. I'm gonna break it down for you guys, let you know what they stand for, what they're all about, and why I think this might be one of the best places you can park your money for the foreseeable future at least. So without further ado, cue the intro. What is up, YouTube? This is your boy Lawan, back at it again with another video, and today we are going to be going over a great stock that has been blowing the market up. It's called NIO. We're getting ready to break it down, let you guys know what I think about it. You know the drill by now. And if you're new to my channel, we do go over personal finance, credit cards, business credit, all those good things. So if that interests you in any way, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel and hit that bell for notifications as well, so you will be notified every time I drop a new video. And while you're at it, go ahead and like this video up, turn that like notification blue, let YouTube know this video is awesome. All right, so guys, like I said earlier, this stock has been really going crazy, so I want to break it down. First, we'll start off with some just basic generic info about this company, all right? So it is a Chinese manufactured EV company, all right? EV stands for electric vehicle, guys. So think Tesla is the main biggest one, all right, guys? This space has been blowing up like crazy all across the stock market. Everybody's trying to get into the EV market because they know and see that it is the future. Obviously, we have looks to be a new president coming into office next year, and he's been very outspoken about making electric vehicles a priority. So that is something to monitor and to, you know, just keep on your mind as we go forward. And guys, this company was founded in November of 2014. Now the headquarters is in China, guys. They haven't, at least I haven't heard or seen anything about them coming to the States as of yet, but do, you know, keep that in mind when you're doing your own personal evaluations, all right? Do keep in mind that this is a China-based company and they are strictly in China, at least for the time being, all right? Now, they are being dubbed as the next Tesla, all right? Now, we're not going to go too far into that. I'll let you know what I actually think about that later on in the video, so stay tuned for that. But a lot of people in the stock market and just a lot of different banks, Bank of America, I know JP Morgan, a lot of these people are really trying to get behind NIO and already dubbing them as the next potential Tesla, all right? So that is something to look at. Now, I want to go over what their products are and exactly what it is that they sell, all right? So again, like I said, they are an electric vehicle company, guys. They sell electric cars, all right? That's what they do. Now, if you're looking in terms of strictly comparing them to Tesla, they don't have any sedans as of yet. They do have some coming for 2021, but currently they kind of in that SUV line model, all right, guys? So as far as the line, guys, they have EC6, ES87, which is a 7-seater, and ES6. All right, guys, so those are their main lines that they're selling right now. Again, like I said, these are SUVs, all right? And they do have, I want to let you guys know, they do have a supercar coming. I believe this is supposed to be dubbed for next year release. This is called the EP9, all right? So this is going to kick off, they do want to get into the sedan market. So they're starting with like a supercar, and they got some other sedans that are going to be coming next year, like I said, all right? So keep a lookout for that. And guys, another great thing about this company that I think is really kind of almost in a way future-proofing them, they have a subscription service, all right, guys? So what the subscription service is, it allows you to actually purchase a bigger battery at your convenience whenever you want, all right? So basically, you pay a monthly fee for this every single month, and whenever you are ready, if you got a big road trip coming up and you might need a bigger battery for this trip, you can just go ahead and just request one, and you're already paying this monthly subscription, and then you can just swap to this bigger battery, guys. So this is something that's really, really neat, I think. Again, I feel like it future-proofs them, and it sets them up for success long term. So now, guys, I do want to go ahead and go over some of the numbers for NIO. So we're gonna pull up some of their financials here and take a quick look. Now, I do want to mention here, outside of Q1 for 2020, which, you know, we can obviously relate to the pandemic. That's exactly when the pandemic was starting. But since then, for Q4 2019 going on, they have been increasing their amount of vehicle sales ever since. Like I said, taking out that pandemic Q1 quarter right there, they have been increasing their vehicle sales every single quarter, guys. So that is something that you definitely want to see as an investor, taking a look into their financials and looking at their company. That's definitely one thing you want to see, because again, guys, this is a car company. They are in the business of selling cars, so you want to see that they are producing and selling vehicles at a great rate. And again, every single quarter it has been increasing in volume, so that's what you want to see. And also, guys, taking another look here, the subscription services, like I said, guys, that is, in my opinion, big. Now it's only taking up a small percentage of their revenue currently, but I think this is an area that as their cars continue, as they continue to sell more cars, I believe this subscription will continue to grow. And also, NIO states that their biggest marketing is mouth to mouth, or person to person, so to speak. So basically, when a person buys one of their vehicles, they are very likely to recommend that vehicle to a person that they know, whether that's a family member or a friend or whatever the case may be, coworker. They will recommend these cars to people that they know, which then allows them or makes them want to buy their products. All right, so again, that's something to look at, something to keep in mind when you're kind of evaluating this company. One thing that I will say, and this is kind of leading into my final segment of should you buy this stock, you have to be really mindful, in my opinion, guys, of what it's doing right now. Now, I do want to mention I am a holder of this stock. I bought this stock actually a while back when it was trading at about $13-14. And I'll put it up on the screen here. I've had a crazy return on my money. I believe it's upwards of over 200% return on my money since I've invested into them. I believe currently at the making of this video, it's trading at about $53-54 currently. So, you know, it is blowing up substantially, and that is something to take a look at. Now, do I think they're a little overvalued at this point for what they are? Probably, I would say, I think so, just a little bit. But again, guys, I don't think it's a bad buy right now either. Obviously, I haven't went over too many. Actually, I haven't went over stocks at all on my channel so far, but that's going to be something I do because I do invest in stocks as well. But if you are looking to buy this stock, guys, definitely don't buy on a green day. You want to buy on a red day. That goes for any stock. Never buy when it's high, buy when it's low on a red day. That's just stocks one-on-one. Never do that. But guys, I will say, if you're just looking for a quick turnaround at this price point, you never know. It wouldn't surprise me if this stock took a dip back down to maybe $30 or $25, something like that, fairly soon. But again, it could continue to go up. I'm not gonna say that it can't. It definitely can continue to go up, guys. But to me, this is a 4 to 6 year play, in my opinion. If you plan to buy into this stock and see it through the next 4 to 6 years, guys, I definitely think this stock could, right now, again, like I said, we're sitting at $53, $54. I definitely think this stock at that point could double from where it's at right now fairly easily, guys. I could definitely see this stock in 4 to 5 years being at $100, $110, $115. I could see that easily, guys. And this is just a floor. This is a floor for this stock. All right, be mindful when you're doing your research and going over their numbers. Like I said, the things that I told you to look out for and check out, because they are getting compared to Tesla, and that's one thing I did want to touch on as well. I don't want to say they're the next Tesla, because Tesla could very well go into China, which they are planning to do anyway, and kind of take over the market. Now, I'm not saying there's not a space for NIO to thrive as well, but obviously Tesla is just a far bigger company right now, so they definitely can go to China and take over the market. So I don't want to say that they're the next Tesla, so to speak, as everybody are saying. Could they be? Absolutely. I'm not convinced quite yet. I do want to see more from them. But again, they have the potential to be the next Tesla. We just got to wait and see, guys. But to answer the question, guys, I do think you should go ahead and hop in on this stock right now. Just be mindful that it is hot right now, so it could go back down a little bit, or it continue to rise. But again, if you do buy it, just buy it on the red day, guys. When it's red, if you're looking to buy it, go ahead and capitalize at that point. And again, just be prepared to sit on this stock for a while and really see what it does and continue to evaluate the company. They have I think they're calling it NIO Day. That's coming up in January. of next year. So I do expect the stock to continue to climb, honestly. If it does decline then, from now to then, it'll shoot right back up after NIO Day, I believe. That's just my personal opinion. So watch out for that, guys. But I think this stock is going to be in for a little roller coaster. But it definitely can continue to climb. So just be watching that, guys. But I think this stock is a must get, at least right now. And if you're prepared to hold on for 46 years, I think you're in a good position, guys. But that is all I have for you today. Please go ahead and like this video. If you liked everything that I presented to you today, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate everybody that has subscribed so far. Stay safe out there, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and check up out of here. Peace.